I mentioned this before, as far as the keywords you target, I'd recommend thinking outside of the box a little bit too, right? Remember, you think about what you would type in Google. Think about if you're running paid ads, you can leverage the things you, because I mean, you can track back down to the keyword people search back to the job you got if you know what you're doing, your marketing company knows what you're doing, right? So I mean, if you guys want to go back through, well, this will be recorded, so you can kind of come look at these. I mean, these are good keywords. I mean, and we're not guessing either, right? We've been doing this for years, specifically for restoration companies, so we know, we've tracked these back to actual work, right? Like we know these keywords can lead, to these type of jobs, and that's what we want, right? SEO again is to rank you guys better and help you get more jobs. So that's what I'm saying. I'm giving you guys some keywords that convert into job. Not every phone call might be a job. Like I get that, right? That's the way business works. But I just want you guys to realize that this is some good keywords to go after. So make sure your site's structured around these keywords, and you have separate pages for separate services and stuff like that. I kind of already touched on that. But all right, so let's continue on. On-site optimization. Again, good content and good user experience. I've talked a lot about that. Multimedia, if you have some good videos, people love videos these days. You can have a professionally video made. If not, client testimonial, you can put that on your website. People, that'll help with your on page. Well, how long people are on your site. Pages for each of your services. City pages, I already talked about that. Unique content, keywords in the title and H1 tags, kind of talk about that. Meta description that sells the click. I showed you guys what some meta descriptions look like. You want to have blogs going out. We recommend, I mean, one a month is typically what we do for our clients. I mean, that's enough, right? You don't have to, if you do one a day, I mean, there might not, the time and cost based on the results is not quite there. But if you do one a month, Google sees that when it recrawls your site. It's like, all right, it's on a new topic. Let's see fresh content. Okay, we see this. This is an active website, adding new content, and you get more points, right? For lack of a better word. So make sure you do that. And again, page speed. Already showed you guys an example on that. So definitely pay attention to that. And on the off page, make sure you claim and verify your Google My Business listing. Once you have it verified, make sure it's optimized, filled out completely based on your company, what you do, the areas you service. Put a bunch of pictures in there. Just make it look real and authentic in Google's eyes, right? I mean, it's all of you guys are real and authentic, obviously, so we want to pass that along onto your Google My Business profile. Get a lot of citations. Again, that's directory listings where your name, address, phone number are. Get all of those synced up, consistent across the web. The consistency is crucial too. We see this a lot. Like, a company might be ABC Restoration. On the next citation, it might be ABC Restoration Inc. And then on the next one, it might be ABC Restoration Dallas or whatever, right? Like that's not consistent. You want it, whatever your business name is, you want that to be the business name across all of your citations and directory listings, right? So that's what consistent citations mean. And again, you want a ton of reviews. You want reviews on your website, and especially on your Google My Business listing. It's so important. It's not only is it a ranking signal, again, from a conversion aspect, because once you get in a 3-pack, you better be working on staying there, because the way we look at it is once you get to number 1, you better believe it. Whoever's on 2 and 3, they're paying somebody to take you out, right? Like, unfortunately, this is a competitive world. We're in a competitive industry, so reviews will kind of help keep you there and separate you from the guys below you. Because they all know that the most business comes from the guy in the number 1 spot. So once he gets there, he's going to be paying somebody to maintain that spot. And then the more reviews you have there will help separate you from the competition as well. So guys, definitely pay attention to the reviews. You want to have authoritative links. back to your website, and then you want to have strategic content syndication across all your web properties, your social media profiles, and all of that, right? Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.